Wall Street pros invest in quantum computing education. The financial industry is on the cusp of a technological revolution, with quantum computing at the forefront. As I see it, the key to staying ahead is not just understanding this technology, but mastering it. The idea is to own the technology rather than competing with it. Those who learn today will be the experts in demand tomorrow. With investment in quantum computing education on the rise, professionals on Wall Street are positioning themselves for the future. Key takeaways. Quantum computing is revolutionizing the financial industry. Investing in quantum computing education is crucial for future success. Professionals are seeking education to stay ahead of the curve. Mastering quantum computing can provide a competitive edge. The financial industry's future is tied to technological advancements. The quantum revolution sweeping through Wall Street. The quantum revolution is transforming Wall Street with unprecedented speed and scale. Major financial institutions are embracing quantum computing to gain a competitive edge, analyzing complex financial scenarios at speeds previously unimaginable. How Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley are leading the charge. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley are at the forefront of this quantum revolution. These financial giants have begun training their employees in quantum computing, recognizing its potential to revolutionize financial analysis and portfolio management. By analyzing billions of financial scenarios in seconds, quantum computing enables more informed investment decisions and risk assessments. Key initiatives include developing quantum algorithms for derivatives, pricing, enhancing risk analysis through quantum simulations, optimizing portfolio management using quantum computing. The silent technology transformation in finance. This technological shift is not limited to a few major players. It's a widespread transformation across the financial industry. Quantum computing is being integrated into various aspects of financial services, from risk management to asset optimization. As this technology matures, it's expected to drive significant changes in how financial institutions operate and compete. The silent technology transformation in finance is poised to redefine the industry's landscape, offering those who adopt it early a substantial competitive advantage. Why are Wall Street employees paying thousands of dollars to learn quantum computing? The rapid adoption of quantum computing on Wall Street has left many wondering why employees are willing to invest thousands of dollars in this cutting-edge technology. As it turns out, the reasons are closely tied to the unique benefits that quantum computing brings to the financial sector. Processing billions of financial scenarios in seconds. One of the primary reasons Wall Street employees are investing in quantum computing education is the technology's ability to process billions of financial scenarios in mere seconds. Traditional computers struggle with complex financial modeling, but quantum computers can analyze vast datasets quickly, providing a significant edge in risk assessment and portfolio optimization. This capability allows financial professionals to explore a wider range of scenarios, from market fluctuations to potential regulatory changes, enabling more informed decision-making. As a result, employees who understand quantum computing are better positioned to contribute to their organization's success. The career insurance policy that's worth every penny. Investing in quantum computing education can be seen as a form of career insurance for Wall Street employees. As the financial industry continues to evolve, having expertise in quantum computing can be a significant differentiator, setting professionals apart in a competitive job market. Moreover, the skills acquired through quantum computing education are not limited to Wall Street. They are transferable across various industries from healthcare to technology. This versatility makes the investment in quantum education a valuable asset for career longevity and flexibility. It's worth noting that you don't need to be on Wall Street to benefit from learning quantum computing. The skills and knowledge gained can be applied in various contexts, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to stay ahead in their career. The quantum advantage. How it's reshaping financial analysis. The quantum advantage is not just a theoretical concept, it's a practical tool that's reshaping the landscape of financial analysis today. As financial institutions begin to harness the power of quantum computing, they're discovering new ways to analyze complex financial data, optimize portfolios, and predict market trends. Risk assessment and portfolio optimization at quantum speed. One of the most significant benefits of quantum computing in financial analysis is its ability to perform risk assessments and portfolio optimizations at unprecedented speeds. By processing vast amounts of data in parallel, quantum computers can identify potential risks and opportunities that might elude traditional analysis methods. market prediction and trading algorithms that outperform competitors. Quantum computing is also revolutionizing market prediction and trading algorithms. By analyzing complex patterns in market data, quantum computers can help financial institutions develop more accurate predictive models and execute trades at optimal times, giving them a competitive edge in the market. Complex financial modeling made possible. Furthermore, quantum computing enables the creation of complex financial models that were previously impossible to compute. This capability allows financial analysts to explore a wider range of scenarios, stress test their portfolios under various conditions, and make more informed investment decisions. Today, there's a course called Quantum Computing System that teaches the same concepts Wall Street employees are learning, but in Arabic, in a simple way, and without complex math. This accessibility is democratizing the quantum advantage, allowing professionals beyond the traditional Wall Street sphere to acquire the skills needed to compete in this new landscape. Inside Wall Street's quantum computing investment with quantum computing, Wall Street is betting big on a technology that promises to redefine financial analysis and risk assessment. The investment is not just in hardware and software, but significantly in education and training. The true cost of elite quantum training programs. Elite quantum training programs come with a hefty price tag, often running into thousands of dollars per participant. For instance, programs offered by top financial institutions can cost between $5,000 to $20,000 per person, depending on the depth and duration of the training. The cost is justified by the potential return on investment. As Youssef from Lebanon noted, "I studied business administration, but this course made me feel like I have a secret weapon." What banks expect in return: ROI on quantum education. Banks expect a significant return on investment from these programs, primarily through enhanced analytical capabilities and improved risk management. The table below outlines the expected ROI for various quantum computing applications in finance. Application expected ROI: risk assessment, 20 to 30% improvement; portfolio optimization, 15 to 25% improvement; financial modeling, 10 to 20% improvement. As the financial sector continues to adopt quantum computing, the demand for professionals with expertise in this area is expected to grow, driving further investment in education and training. The great equalizer: quantum computing, beyond Wall Street. Beyond the trading floors and financial institutions, quantum computing is opening new avenues for professionals from diverse backgrounds. The notion that quantum computing is exclusively for Wall Street is a misconception. Its applications and benefits extend far beyond the financial sector. Why financial expertise is no longer a prerequisite. One of the most significant advantages of quantum computing is that it doesn't require a background in finance to be valuable. Professionals from various fields can leverage quantum computing to drive innovation and solve complex problems. This shift is democratizing access to cutting-edge technology, enabling individuals without financial expertise to contribute to and benefit from the quantum revolution. How anyone can access this career-changing knowledge. With the increasing availability of quantum computing education and training programs, individuals from diverse backgrounds can now acquire the skills needed to thrive in this new technological landscape. Online courses, workshops, and certification programs are making it easier than ever to get started. Whether you're a recent graduate or a seasoned professional looking to upskill, there are numerous resources available to help you navigate the world of quantum computing. Don't wait for an invitation from Wall Street. The future of quantum computing is inclusive, and it's up to you to seize the opportunities it presents. By embracing this technology, you can position yourself at the forefront of a revolution that's set to transform industries across the board. My personal journey: learning quantum computing without a physics background. Stepping into the realm of quantum computing without a physics background was both challenging and exhilarating for me. As I embarked on this journey, I was driven by the conviction that understanding quantum computing was not just about acquiring a new skill, but about owning a piece of the future. From novice to confident practitioner. My initial foray into quantum computing was marked by confusion and self-doubt. Terms like superposition and entanglement seemed like jargon from a foreign language. However, with persistence and the right resources, I began to grasp these concepts. I started with basic tutorials and gradually moved on to more complex topics. The transition from being a novice to a confident practitioner wasn't linear. There were moments of frustration but also moments of triumph. I found that breaking down complex topics into simpler components and relating them to real-world scenarios helped solidify my understanding. Overcoming the "I'm not smart enough" mental barrier. One of the biggest hurdles I faced was the mental barrier that I wasn't smart enough to learn quantum computing. This mindset is more common than you might think, especially among those without a technical background. To overcome this, I focused on building a strong foundation, celebrating small victories, and reminding myself that the journey was about progress, not perfection. Challenge strategy outcome. Lack of physics background. Started with basic tutorials, gained foundational knowledge, complex concepts, broken down into simpler components, better understanding mental barrier, focused on progress, not perfection, built confidence. Learning quantum computing without a physics background taught me that, with the right mindset and resources, anyone can become proficient in this field. It's about embracing the challenge and persisting through the initial hurdles. Quantum computing system, the course Wall Street doesn't want you to know about. In the shadows of Wall Street's elite quantum programs, a surprisingly effective alternative has emerged. The quantum computing system course is making waves by providing high-quality quantum education without the hefty price tag or complex mathematical prerequisites. This innovative program is designed to be accessible, teaching complex quantum concepts in a way that's easy to grasp, even for those without an advanced math background. By simplifying the learning process, it opens the door to quantum computing for a broader audience. How it teaches complex concepts without advanced math. The Quantum Computing System course uses a unique approach to simplify complex concepts. By leveraging visualizations and real-world analogies, it makes quantum computing intuitive, even for learners without a strong mathematical foundation. This method not only makes the subject more accessible, but also enhances retention and understanding. The Arabic language advantage, learning in your native tongue. One of the standout features of this course is its availability in Arabic, catering to a wide audience across the Middle East and North Africa. Learning in one's native language significantly enhances comprehension and engagement, making complex topics feel more approachable. This language advantage is a game-changer for many learners who might be deterred by English language courses. Comparing curriculum with expensive Wall Street programs. When comparing the curriculum of the Quantum Computing System course to more expensive Wall Street programs, several key similarities emerge. Both cover essential topics such as quantum algorithms, quantum information theory, and practical applications in finance. However, the Quantum Computing System course does so in a more condensed and accessible manner, making it an attractive option for those looking to gain quantum computing skills without the hefty investment. In conclusion, the Quantum Computing System course represents a significant opportunity for individuals looking to break into the field of quantum computing without the financial burden or prerequisite knowledge required by traditional programs. Its innovative approach, combined with the advantage of learning in Arabic, positions it as a compelling alternative to the more expensive and exclusive Wall Street-backed initiatives. The winning philosophy: don't compete with technology, own it. As technology continues to reshape the financial industry, a winning philosophy is gaining traction, one that emphasizes owning rather than being owned by technology. This mindset shift is crucial for professionals looking to stay ahead in a landscape where automation and advanced computing are becoming the norm. Positioning yourself ahead of the automation curve. To truly own technology, one must first understand the trajectory of technological advancements and position themselves accordingly. This involves not just keeping abreast of the latest developments in quantum computing and other emerging technologies, but also anticipating how these will impact the financial sector. Key strategies for staying ahead: continuous learning and adaptation, embracing new technologies early, developing a deep understanding of how technology can be leveraged for competitive advantage, building career resilience through technological mastery. Mastering technology is not just about staying relevant, it's about building a foundation for long-term career resilience. By developing expertise in areas like quantum computing, professionals can create a unique value proposition that is not easily replicable by automation. Technological skill career benefit resilience factor. Quantum computing. Enhanced data analysis capabilities, high AI and machine learning, improved predictive modeling, high cybersecurity protection against data breaches. Media. In conclusion, adopting a winning philosophy that focuses on owning technology rather than competing with it is key to thriving in today's fast-paced financial landscape. By positioning oneself ahead of the automation curve and building career resilience through technological mastery, professionals can ensure a successful and sustainable career. Success stories from traditional backgrounds to quantum experts. The world of quantum computing is no longer exclusive to tech geniuses or those with a physics background. Professionals from diverse backgrounds are now making significant strides in this field, leveraging quantum computing to transform their careers and open up new opportunities. Youssef from Lebanon, my secret weapon in business. Youssef, a business administration graduate from Lebanon, shares his inspiring story of career transformation. After completing a quantum computing course, he felt empowered to tackle complex business challenges in new ways. I studied business administration, but this course made me feel like I have a secret weapon. Youssef, Lebanon. How non-technical professionals are leveraging quantum knowledge. Non-technical professionals are finding that quantum computing knowledge gives them a competitive edge. By understanding quantum principles, they can analyze complex data sets, optimize processes, and make informed decisions. Career transformations and new opportunities. As professionals acquire quantum computing skills, they are experiencing significant career transformations. New opportunities are emerging in fields such as finance, logistics, and research. Professional background, quantum computing application, career outcome, business administration, data analysis, process optimization, promoted to senior management, finance, risk assessment, portfolio optimization, started own investment firm, logistics, supply chain optimization, became consultant for major companies. These success stories demonstrate that with the right training and mindset, individuals from traditional backgrounds can become quantum experts and thrive in their careers. The exploding demand for quantum computing skills. The exploding demand for quantum computing skills is transforming the job landscape. As we discussed earlier, Wall Street is heavily investing in quantum computing education. Now let's explore how this trend is affecting the job market across various industries. Currently, the job market is witnessing a significant shift towards quantum computing. Companies are looking for professionals with expertise in quantum computing to drive innovation and stay ahead of the competition. Current job market trends and salary premiums. The demand for quantum computing skills is leading to attractive salary premiums. According to recent trends, professionals with quantum computing expertise can command salaries that are significantly higher than their counterparts without such skills. Industry average salary premium. Finance, 25%, healthcare, 30%, technology, 35%. Industries beyond finance racing to hire quantum talent. While finance is a significant adopter of quantum computing, other industries are also racing to hire quantum talent. Healthcare, technology, and energy sectors are among the top industries looking to leverage quantum computing for innovation. As the demand for quantum computing skills continues to grow, those who learn today will be the experts in demand tomorrow. It's essential to position yourself at the forefront of this technological revolution. Starting your quantum journey. A practical roadmap. Starting your quantum journey doesn't have to be daunting with the right guidance and resources. As I've navigated this complex field, I've learned the importance of a structured approach. Here's a practical roadmap to help you get started. Week 1. 4. Building your quantum foundation. The first step in your quantum journey is to build a solid foundation. This involves understanding the basic principles of quantum mechanics and how they apply to computing. Dedicate time to learning the fundamentals such as superposition, entanglement, and quantum gates. Online courses and textbooks can provide a comprehensive introduction. Essential resources and tools for self-learners. To progress, you'll need access to the right resources and tools. Online platforms like IBM Quantum Experience and Microsoft Quantum Development Kit offer hands-on experience with quantum computing. Additionally, joining online forums and communities can connect you with other learners and experts. Measuring your progress without getting overwhelmed. It's crucial to measure your progress to stay motivated and adjust your learning path as needed. Set achievable milestones, such as completing a certain number of courses or projects within a set time frame. Regularly assess your understanding and adjust your study plan accordingly. By following this roadmap, you can make steady progress on your quantum journey. Remember, the key is to start and be consistent. Don't wait for an invitation from Wall Street. Begin your journey today. Debunking quantum learning myths. The notion that quantum computing is too complex to learn is a myth that needs debunking. As someone who has ventured into this field, I can attest that with the right approach, anyone can grasp the fundamentals of quantum computing. Many believe that a technical background is necessary to learn quantum computing. However, this is not entirely true. While having a technical background can be helpful, it's not a prerequisite. Simplified learning approaches and dedicated resources have made it possible for individuals from various backgrounds to learn quantum computing. Why I don't have a technical background doesn't matter. The truth is, quantum computing is more about understanding concepts and applying them rather than having an extensive technical background. Many successful quantum learners have transitioned from non-technical fields, leveraging their existing skills and knowledge to excel in this new domain. Understanding the basics of quantum mechanics. Familiarity with programming concepts. Ability to learn new technologies. The truth about learning curve and time investment. Another myth is that learning quantum computing requires a significant time investment. While it's true that dedication is necessary, the learning curve can be managed with the right resources and study plan. Breaking down the learning process into manageable chunks can make it more accessible. How simplified approaches make quantum accessible. Simplified approaches to learning quantum computing have made it more accessible to a broader audience. These approaches focus on explaining complex concepts in an easy-to-understand manner, making it possible for anyone to learn quantum computing, regardless of their background. By owning the technology, rather than competing with it, individuals can position themselves at the forefront of this technological revolution. The key is to start with the basics, be consistent, and gradually build upon your knowledge. The next 5 years, how quantum-literate professionals will dominate. As we look ahead to the next 5 years, it becomes increasingly clear that professionals with quantum literacy will be at the forefront of the industry. The financial sector is on the cusp of a revolution, driven by the power of quantum computing. This technological advancement is not just about processing power, it's about the ability to analyze complex financial models, predict market trends, and make informed decisions at unprecedented speeds. The demand for professionals who can harness this power is expected to skyrocket, creating a significant talent shortage in the job market. According to industry forecasts, the gap between the demand and supply of quantum-literate professionals will continue to widen unless more individuals acquire these skills. The coming talent shortage and your opportunity. The coming talent shortage presents a unique opportunity for those who are willing to invest in quantum education. By becoming proficient in quantum computing, professionals can position themselves at the forefront of this technological revolution. This is not just about being ahead of the curve, it's about being in a position to shape the future of finance. Skill level. Current demand, projected demand in 5 years. Basic quantum understanding, low-high advanced quantum computing, moderate very high quantum algorithm development, rare extremely high. Why early adopters always win in technological revolutions. Early adopters of new technologies have always had a competitive edge. In the context of quantum computing, being an early adopter means being able to leverage this technology to drive innovation, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. As the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, said Eleanor Roosevelt, and investing in quantum literacy is a step towards making those dreams a reality. In conclusion, the next 5 years will be crucial for professionals looking to make a mark in the financial industry. By embracing quantum computing and becoming quantum literate, individuals can not only survive but thrive in a landscape dominated by technological revolutions. The time to act is now, and those who do will be the ones shaping the future. Conclusion: don't wait for an invitation from Wall Street. The quantum computing revolution is transforming Wall Street, and the opportunity to be part of it is available to anyone willing to take the first step. As we've seen throughout this article, top financial institutions are investing heavily in quantum education, and the demand for professionals with this skill is skyrocketing. Don't wait for an invitation from Wall Street to start your quantum journey. The resources are available, and the time to act is now. By starting now, you position yourself ahead of the curve, ready to capitalize on the opportunities that this technological revolution will bring. Whether you're from a technical background or not, the key is to begin. With the right approach and resources, anyone can acquire the knowledge needed to thrive in a quantum-driven financial landscape. Take control of your career and start your quantum computing journey today. FAQ. Why are Wall Street employees willing to pay thousands of dollars to learn quantum computing? Wall Street employees are willing to invest in quantum computing education because it provides a competitive edge in the financial industry, enabling them to analyze vast financial scenarios quickly and make informed decisions. Is it necessary to be on Wall Street to learn quantum computing? No, it's not necessary to be on Wall Street to learn quantum computing. Individuals from various backgrounds can access this knowledge and benefit from it. What are the benefits of quantum computing in financial analysis? Quantum computing is reshaping financial analysis by enabling risk assessment and portfolio optimization at quantum speed, improving market prediction and trading algorithms, and making complex financial modeling possible. How much do elite quantum training programs cost? The cost of elite quantum training programs varies, but it's a significant investment that Wall Street is willing to make to stay ahead of the curve. What is the expected return on investment (ROI) for quantum education? Banks expect a significant ROI on quantum education as it provides a competitive edge and enables employees to analyze vast financial scenarios quickly. Can individuals without a technical background learn quantum computing? Yes, individuals without a technical background can learn quantum computing. Simplified approaches in courses such as the quantum computing system make it accessible to non-technical professionals. What is the demand for quantum computing skills in the job market? The demand for quantum computing skills is exploding across various industries with significant salary premiums for professionals with this expertise. How can I start my quantum journey? To start your quantum journey, you can begin by building your foundation in quantum computing, using essential resources and tools, and measuring your progress without getting overwhelmed. Will learning quantum computing give me a competitive edge in my career? Yes, learning quantum computing will give you a competitive edge in your career, as it provides a unique skill set that is in high demand across various